Hi guys, welcome back to another Wheels and Stuff how-to video. Today we're going to do some VCDSing. We're going to enable adaptive brake lights, so basically emergency brake flashing via brake lights and turn lights. So you can make that active, or you can disable it. What you want to do is fire up VCDS. This is on a C7A6, by the way. And then actually it's a C7.5, but I'm assuming it'll be the same for a C7. So you're going to go to central convenience, and what you want to do is go to long coding when it loads up, and you want to go to byte 8 long coding helper. If you happen to need additional, what's it say there? Right, okay, anyway, yeah, so byte 8, so let's cycle through to byte 8. There we go. So you've got byte 8 there. I've already got mine enabled, so basically emergency brake flashing via turn lights and via brake lights. So that's how you enable it, and obviously you just uncheck bit 0 and bit 1 if you don't want that mod on your car. As usual guys, if you want to see some more of these mod videos for a C7 or C7.5 A6, don't forget to hit the bell notification and thumbs up button, leave a comment, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. See you later, bye.